Hi everyone, today we're making 炸酱面, which can have different versions in China depending on the region you are from. To start, we're going to smash and dice some garlic. You can add in ginger if you like. Furthermore, we're going to slice some spring onion for garnish and prepare some vegetables. You can also add in bean sprouts or carrot, which is very refreshing. For the meat sauce, I like to use pork belly because I would like to have some more fat in it. You can simply use store-bought ground pork, chicken, or beef. Quickly heat up some cooking oil, adding the pork to cook until brown. Throw in the minced garlic, 郫县 bean paste, black bean paste, and sweet bean paste to mix. They are available at Asian store. Finally garnish with some spring onion. There you have the meat sauce. Cook noodles like you normally do. I like to use fresh handmade noodles, which is preferred for this type of dish. Top noodles with meat sauce, add in sliced cucumber or vegetable of your choice, garnish with some spring onion. There you have it. The full recipe is in my bio link. Please check it out. Thank you for watching.